Preet Kaur, and today I have come up with a graph which is a stacked bar graph. This has been seen very recently in the academic IELTS writing test. In fact, it was last seen on uh, the 7th of November 2019 in India. The chart below shows the resources used to make 1000 disposable cups in different materials, polystyrene and paper. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So this sentence in the question is always there. So this is basically the materials needed to make 1000 polystyrene cups and 1000 paper cups. And you can see that this is a stacked bar graph, and each a stacked bar graph is a graph that is used to compare the parts to the whole. The bars are divided into categories, and to make things simpler, this table has been made right below that. So the materials like 0.06 would hardly be visible in this graph. So the table has been made so that the things are clear and how much of each is there is being used to make the respective 1000 cups. Okay, so let's see how to handle such a graph. The stacked bar graph shows the amount of different elements required for making 1000 polystyrene and paper cups. So instead of shows, we can say compares. Compares would be a better word because only there's comparison of two things. Then this is the one sentence introduction. Now we come to the overall. Overall, the production of polystyrene cups is environmentally friendly because it costs less energy and doesn't need any wood, while 1000 paper cups need almost double the electricity and petroleum as compared to paper cups. So here you can see, if you see as a whole, the total energy needed is less. Total things needed to make 1000 polystyrene cups are this much, whereas this bar is bigger. So here the total things needed are much more. So this method is environmentally friendly, and no wood is also needed. So this is the overview. In the overview, I've just compared that this is environmentally friendly, less energy, doesn't need any wood, while 1000 cups need almost double the energy, and 1000 paper cups and petroleum as compared to uh, polystyrene cups. Okay, now we come to the main body. The production of 1000 polystyrene cups needs 8 kg 8 kg of petroleum. You can see here 8 kg of petroleum and 13 kg of other chemicals. 13 kg of other chemicals. Steam is required in a large quantity. You can see 130 kg of steam is required, which is 10 times as much as other chemicals. So this is 10 times as much as other chemicals. Other chemicals are 13 kg and this is 130 kg. The process is rather energy saving, only costing 0.06 uh, meter cube of water and 6 kilowatts of energy. So this is about the 1000 polystyrene cups. Now we come to the paper cups. However, in the process of making paper cups, the consumption of water and electricity is far more. So you can see 0.06 and this is 0.85. So this is far more. Um, and this is 6 and this is 12. So this is almost double. So this is far more, that is 0.85 meter cube and 12 kilowatts respectively, than that in polystyrene cups. Far more than that in polystyrene cups. Whatever we write in the brackets, if you use the brackets, then read your sentence without the bracket. It should make sense. However, in the process of making paper cups, the consumption of water and electricity is far more than that in polystyrene cups. It also requires more petroleum, which constitutes 18 kg. Steam is required in negligible amount as compared to that needed in polystyrene cups. So steam here it is 130 kg, it's just 0.556 kg. Amount of the chemicals needed are less than that in polystyrene cups. So amount of other chemicals needed are less than that in polystyrene cups. So here you can see this is a total description of the graph. It is not very lengthy, and it must be around, I think, 164 words, which is pretty good. And it's a simple graph. And I hope those who have taken the test on the 7th of November have done it well. This is already there in my book for graphs from the past exams. This is my graphs book. There are six books in all, which are there in the market, which you can purchase. And keep checking our website, www.makkariles.com, for regular updates about the exam questions. Thank you very much for watching patiently.